Hey guys, my name is Chris Neal and I'm here to share my success story on Clickbank. Are you struggling with Clickbank or any other affiliate marketing? Are you having struggle like I did? I struggled for almost three and a half months. Okay, I left a six-figure job from IT and I wanted to follow Mr. Tim Ferriss and get into the 4-hour work week lifestyle. So that's the story I want to share, and I wanted to share the story after I tested some success, consistent results. Right now that I am getting consistent sales on Clickbank for last 2 months, and I'm here to share the wonderful news. So I quit my full-time job and I wanted to the work from home life and freedom and all that excited me big time. And I'm sure a lot of the guys in internet marketing are drawn to that dream of work from home, work anytime. So that's exactly what I went through this, right? But it's not simple. I mean, it's simple, it's straightforward, but it's not easy. Okay, there are all these shiny objects around you all the time and you are attracted to that, and you get drawn and you get lost track of where you were and what you're doing. So I struggled. I checked a lot of online courses on affiliate marketing. I tried many methods, but nothing. I was getting zero results, absolutely zero results, right? And now I'm successful. Now I'm yet to reach my dream income. I'm yet to reach my dream lifestyle, mind well, but I know I am on my way. I have 8 Clickbank accounts, and I'm planning to add few more. And it's a good idea to have more Clickbank accounts. Don't quote me for this, why, but I did, and it's working out fantastic, right? And each account is paid me for last 2 months. Well, few of the accounts are 1 month old, few of them are 2 months old, and they have paid me approximately around $1,000 a month. Okay, highest being about $1,400 and the lowest being in the $957, $958, something like that, right? So that's what I call my current successful. It's not bad, right? I mean, it's not that great with a lot of guys out there, but this is of course all the credit goes to me. No, not me. Wait, I was the one who was struggling and I discovered something. I know you guys have heard this many times and you're gonna think that I'm promoting this product. Yes, I am promoting this product, but this is the product that helped me turn around. This is the product that gave me income, consistent income. So that product is CB Passive Income, right? I'm going to share the link, my affiliate link to this product below this video in the description. And CB Passive Income has helped me achieve this success. So that's why I'm more than happy to promote this product. And guys, please, if you decide to check CB Passive Income, please check it from the link below. The reason being, I'm the one who's motivating you for the affiliate marketing and the CB Passive Income to get on. So please, if you do decide to get CB Passive Income product, do please get it through the link shared below. And I would love to hear your comments, your likes. If you like this video, please share it, and any questions you have, you might please post it in comments and I will be happy to reply those. Now come on, I'm convincing you about the CB Passive Income. So it'll be great, it'll be very nice, and it's a truth. It's a wonderful product. of course you have to take action. There is no replacement for the action. And do not chase the shiny object syndrome. Don't fall for that. Stay consistent, take consistent actions, and you will see the result, right? But this one, my friend, it's already changing my life. So I'm very happy about that. So thank you Clickbank, and thank you CB Passive Income. You guys rock. You guys are awesome. I'm going to show one of my CB accounts in live. I will log in and I'm going to mask main, the details, the login and which offers I'm promoting. I'm going to hide that all, right? I'm not going to talk about the niche. I'm not going to, this is live stuff, right? This is my bread and butter, guys. So even if you accidentally see my ID, please don't share it with anyone, right? So here I am. I'm going to log into my CB Clickbank account, and I will show you my dashboard and I will show you analytics page. So mind well, this is one of my CB accounts. I am going to mask the login details. I have masked the login details, and let me log in. I'm typing the username and password. I'm in, and now you can see it's in. Now you can see clearly, right? Now I'm inside my account, and you can see for the last 5 weeks how I'm doing. February 17th is just started an hour ago, so yeah, you haven't made any sale. And mind well, this is one of the accounts I have, so this is fantastic. I'm very happy about it, of course, you can tell. And that's showing for last 2 months what was my sale. It's approximately, you can see the 538 and 6, about 1300 something odd, right? 1200, 1300 something. And let me get into the analytics. So I'm inside the analytics now. You can see the hop count, reporting analytics. So you guys are sure that that this is my account. I know earning per hop is low, and I'm working on it to improve the EPH and my conversion. It really depends on the pre-sale pages that you are creating and how you are sending them to the the offers. So I'm improving on that. So that's that. And again, guys, if you want to try out CB Passive Income, please click on the link below, please, because that'll be supporting fellow affiliate marketer to a fellow affiliate marketer. So click on that link if you want to buy that, and do give it a try. This is a wonderful product, but again I'm saying you have to take action. And hang on, guys, I thought about quitting internet marketing, and I'm very glad I did not, and then I started getting results. So thank you very much for watching this CB Passive Income Success video, and I hope and I wish the same success to each one of you who is trying this, and may everybody get this wonderful success in internet marketing, and may everybody get this wonderful life and freedom that I'm experiencing right now. So please click on the link below and get it. Do not buy it from someone else, and stay good, stay inspired. CB Passive Income or not, stay good, stay inspired. Thank you very, very, very much. And remember, it will just take one proper landing page, and over and out. Thank you very much.